Hello, my name is John Bowling. I'm president and founder of Thin-nology. Nearly 17 years ago, I started Thin-nology with a laptop. Today, we're a full service provider of managed services, backup, the virtual world, and we have our own data center. We are the only company of this kind that provides all 7 layers of technology through its own data center. But we're more than technology, and we think of ourselves as more than technology. We really think of ourselves as a business solutions provider. We help solve business problems through technology, but we have a basic philosophy. If there is no business case, then there is no case. There's no point in buying technology for technology's sake. Technology must provide to the bottom line. The bottom line can be measured in different ways. The bottom line could be through employee retention, employee happiness. Employees just like coming to work and using the technology that's being provided to them to do their job. It's also got to provide more uptime, because more uptime means that we're going to be generating more revenue. More revenue means that we're going to be doing better for the bottom line. So we've got to think of providing technology solutions from a business perspective and not just from a technology perspective. Everything we do with the business case in mind. We'd like to talk to you about that. We'd like to come in and talk to you about how we can use our business-centric approach to technology to help you gain a much better experience and gain a better bottom line. Give you an example. When we first started, we were into providing remote workplace solutions about 3 to 4 years, when a company with 9 offices throughout Texas came to us about looking at ways that they could both reduce costs and increase their uptime and productivity. This company had 9 offices, which meant it had 9 different sets of technology at each office, 9 different servers, 9 different IT suppliers, support people. So all of that added a significant amount of cost. And of course, it had issues with uptime because of having to run updates for applications, and things would just go wrong as they do in technology. We put them under our remote workplace solutions program. What we did was we consolidated all 9 offices into a single structure right here in our data center. So this means now that these 9 offices, who would have been all alone out there, were now in a beautiful collaborative working environment. Different offices throughout the state could share information, share resources. And in doing all of that, they increased their uptime significantly. In fact, at the end of the first year, when I asked our contact at this company whether the cost savings had been worth it and how much those cost savings were, the reply was, we don't even worry or calculate what the cost savings were, because the increased revenue from the amount of uptime far, far exceeds anything that would be worth calculating the cost savings for. So this is what happens when you apply a business-centric philosophy to a technology problem. So let us help you. We can. Call us and let's put some of that experience that we have over the last 17 years, but also using some of the experience of both myself, who spent 30 years in the oil industry, everything from an entry-level engineer to an executive when I left, and the other folks around here that have got many, many years of working with technology and looking at how technology can become a business case and not just a cost case. Many small companies out there think of technology as a cost, and many think of it as an annoying cost. We can help you change that perspective. Technology is a business solution, and it must provide to the bottom line of your business.